Kigiriko kia arimi ya macani kia wagi wa umithio munene kumana na mumero uyu na kiria maturite nakio kwa miaka miingi riu kia ya kwehereria ona makiria amu ni nginyanagia mangihotorera murigo muritu wa igoti ria ciringi mirongo 23 o hari bagiti ya macani maria makoragwo makiendio thoko-ini ya munara ya Mombasa. Kuona riu thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombatha nirikitie kwanirira kugathika ndosho eno.
This move will also lead to double taxation across various counties to the detriment of the tea value chain.
Giki nikio gitumi kinene kiria kirehete hamwe magavana kuma kaunti-ini iri ikoragio macani na kuria riu mabangite kugia na giikaro na gavana wa Mombatha Ali Hassan Joho na niguo kuregeria murugamo uyu.
If you have one pack at 32 shillings times the number of packets times the number of tons in a container times the total volume of tea from the entire country, you will see a huge amount of money being deducted from the farmer.
Matogoritio ni gavana wa Kericho Paul Chepkwony na murunawe wa Bomet Joyce Laboso. Magavana ya riu maroiga ikinya riri ni rigucungiriria thogora wa igoto kuri arimi na ningi gutuma kigina kiria arimi makoragwo makiamukira gukundera.
And ultimately this will translate to low bonuses, very low monthly payments, and this will cause a revolution in terms of tea production.
Any levy that you are putting on or loading on is another minus that comes to the farmer. So ours, we are really as governors, and I believe we are all responsible leaders, that we want to make sure that we protect the interests of the people that we represent.
Sekta ya macani ni imwe ya honge iria ikoragwo inyitiriire utonga wa bururi, kuona ikoragwo inyitiriire makiria ma gicunji kia 7 harĩ 100 gĩa utonga wa bururi.